When sneaky chemists want to make new substances without wasting materials or harming the planet, they often turn to something called a catalyst. Imagine you have a gigantic sandwich you want to eat fast, but without making a mess. A catalyst is like a magical pair of hands that can help you eat your sandwich quickly and cleanly without wasting any crumbs. Catalysts are special substances that speed up chemical reactions. They help two or more chemicals react with each other more efficiently, but they're the surprise guests at the molecule party. They don't get used up in the reaction. Isn't that neat? Let's explore how these fantastic helpers work. Imagine trying to build a Lego castle. It takes time and maybe a little help from your friend. Now, let's say your friend is super good at finding the right pieces quickly. That's how catalysts work. They help the reactants, the Lego pieces, find each other faster so they can build new products. Your awesome Lego castle. Now, why do we call some of these catalysts green? Well, green means good for the environment. Green catalysts make chemical reactions not just faster, but also cleaner. They help chemists and factories find ways to make products while producing less waste and pollution. This is important for keeping our Earth healthy. For instance, let's take a look at the Haber-Bosch process, which is used to make ammonia, an important ingredient in fertilizers that help plants grow stronger. In this process, a catalyst made from iron is used. The iron helps nitrogen and hydrogen gas react at lower temperatures and pressures, which saves energy. This means factories using less energy do less harm to the environment. Another example of green catalysis can be seen in the production of biofuels from plant oils. Scientists use enzymes, which are natural catalysts found in our bodies, to help turn oils into biodiesel. These enzymes make the process happen more quickly without generating harmful byproducts. Then, there's something called a photocatalyst. These catalysts are like little sun catchers. They use sunlight to help drive chemical reactions. An example is titanium dioxide, a common photocatalyst used to break down pollutants in the air, keeping our skies blue and clean. Green catalysts are essential tools for developing sustainable ways to produce materials and energy. They allow us to minimize waste, reduce harmful emissions, and use less energy. Plus, they're recyclable and don't end up in a landfill after fulfilling their duties. So next time you hear about chemistry in action, think about the magical hands, the catalysts, making reactions happen faster and cleaner, all while giving our lovely planet a big, healthy hug.